sixth grade chemistry test. Number 1. The table above shows the atomic number for different elements. According to the periodic table, which of these elements is a metal? A. Nitrogen. B. Phosphorus. C. Magnesium. D. Chlorine. Number 2. How many elements are in the compound C6H12O6? Letter A, 24. Letter B, 12. Letter C, 6. Letter D, 3. According to the periodic table, all of the following are metalloids except A. Silicon, B. Tellurium, C. Neon, D. Antimony. Number 4. Which of the following best describes a chemical change in iron? A. An iron nail looks shiny and silvery. B. An iron nail rubbed with a magnet attracts iron powder. C. An iron wire left outside turns a rusty orange color. D. An iron wire attached to a battery becomes hot. Number 5. Which of the following is an example of an element? A. H2O. B. Ci. C. CO2. D. NaCl. Number 6. Which of the following is not an example of a chemical change? A. Digestion. B. Melting. C. Photosynthesis. D. Respiration. Number 7. Which of the following is a property of fluorine, a nonmetal? A. It is a good conductor of electricity and heat. B. It is a gas at room temperature. C. It is malleable and ductile. D. It is shiny. Number 8. A student made a model of a volcano for their class science project. She used many materials like clay to build the model. In the center of the model, she hid a paper cup filled with baking soda. When she was explaining her project to the class, she poured some vinegar with red food coloring into the center of the volcano. Why did red foam begin to pour down the sides of the student's volcano? A. The vinegar and baking soda created a physical change. B. The vinegar and baking soda created a chemical change. C. The vinegar and baking soda created an electrical change. D. The vinegar and baking soda created a thermal change. Number 9. Jared broke a piece of glassware during an experiment. The shape of the glassware changed, but the properties in the fragment remained the same. Which of the following occurred? A. A chemical change. B. A temperature change. C. A phase change. D. A physical change. Which of the following is a compound? Letter A, Li. Letter B, 2C. Letter C, H2. Letter D, CH. Number 11. The pictures above shows a blue liquid being added to a clear liquid. Which is the best evidence that a chemical reaction may have occurred? A. The temperature changed. B, the temperature remained the same. C, solid particles formed. D, the volume increased. Number 12. A scientist has discovered an element. The new element is shiny and conducts electricity. Where is the best placement for this element on the periodic table? A, on the right side with the nonmetals. B, on the left side with the metals. C, along the zigzag line with the metalloids. D, at the top of the periodic table. Number 13. Diamonds have a density of 3.5 milliliters. Where would a diamond come to rest if it dropped into the cylinder shown above? A, on top of the ether. B, on top of the water. C, on top of the mercury. D, on the bottom of the container. Number 14. A new compound has just been made. Its formula is COF, lowercase e, HNC, lowercase OBN. How many elements make up this compound? A, 8, B, 9, C, 10, D, 11. Number 15. Maria had a small beaker with a small amount of baking soda. She added a few drops of pickle juice to the baking soda and observed fizzing and bubbling. What evidence suggests that a chemical action occurred? A, gas was produced. B, no chemical reaction took place. C, a precipitate was created. D, the temperature changed. Number 16. Samantha is examining an object in science class. It is solid, does not conduct electricity very well, malleable, and is a shiny silver color. The sample is most likely A, nonmetal, B, metalloid, C, metal, D, semiconductor. Number 17. Lisa and Jill have just finished an experiment in science class that involved several different chemicals. Which of the following is the best way for them to clean up their lab area? A, ask the teacher to tell them the best way to dispose of the chemicals. B, mix all the chemicals together before pouring them down the sink. C, throw all of the leftover materials into the trash can. D, leave all of the leftover materials on the lab table. Number 18. Use the table below to answer the next two questions. What would be the best title for the list? A, physical properties. B, chemical properties. C, reactive properties. D, observable properties. Number 19. What word best replaces X in the table? A, state of matter. B, malleability. C, oxidation. D, hardness. Number 20. Roger is examining an object in science class. A pale yellow, dull, brittle solid does not conduct electricity. The sample is most likely A, metal, B, nonmetal, C, metalloid, D, conductor.